Hello, my name is Juana Martinez. I am 30 years old. I am from Colombia. I live with my family. I am a psychology student. My favorite series is El Supervisor. My favorite sport is football. There are three people in my family. My husband is Ronald Ramos. Is 36 years old. Is a policeman. Is from Cartagena. His age around it as black hair. My son is Ronald Ramos. It is in fourth grade at Horizon Gimnasio Bilingue High School. It is 10 years old and I let she it as brown age. My daughter is Isayoa Ramos Martinez. Cursa Jardín at A School. Horizon Gimnasio Bilingue at 4 year age. Are brown age black hair. Thank you.